wanted to say welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. This is the end of the video, but I wanted to put this at the end versus at the beginning. Anyhow, I cut the camera time just so I could hurry up and get the driveway plowed out. And while I was plowing, I had let this cable out too far and it came unhooked from this loop. And when I went to lift the blade back up, it sucked the hook back up in here. I'm going to change that. I'm going to run this cable probably underneath down here and hook it back to itself so it doesn't do that. I think it'd be a little bit more stable that way anyways. I'll try it. If that doesn't work, I will develop an actual hook or something right here that this will hook to, because this, I can show you. This little thing here, this little stopper, it won't hook all the way over that and lock into place. So anyways, but yeah, that's the problem with that. I wanted to make a new video because I haven't made one in a while, and we got about 2.5, maybe 3 inches of snow last night. It wasn't a lot of snow. It really isn't worth plowing, but I like to try to use my tractor as much as possible, because if it sets, you know, stuff goes wrong. So anyways, smash that like button. That's important to me. Hit subscribe and comment. I enjoy people's comments, whether if it's on Facebook or if it's on YouTube. It doesn't matter. Your feedback, positive feedback, would be great. Sharing my videos helps me out, gets me more subscribers. I'm trying to boost my subscribers this year, so if you got a YouTube account, you don't have to make videos to subscribe to somebody. You just have to have a YouTube account, or Google account, I guess they call it now. Also, if you want to support my channel, I'm not asking for money, but if you want to support it, you can go to patreon.com. The link will be in the description. Also, I changed my Facebook page around. I have a group. It's called Garage Kept. I made it about 6 years ago, and I never did anything with it. But you're welcome to join my group. Share your projects. I allow buying and selling. If you do post something for sale, just make sure that you the person buying it private messages you. I don't want to see a lot of comments, because I get notifications for everything, and I don't want to see the notifications unless I'm interested in it. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully sooner than later.